Show it.
Yeah. Yo. Giggity. Yo.
Let me get some viewers on this. Yo, that second short got 4 views.
I know. I wonder why.
Because we're not in the algorithm. I don't know.
The other one
it knows what we're trying to do.
It feels it.
It can feel it in its fucking balls. YouTube can feel it.
Bro, it's hiding us like others hide account numbers.
Ah! That was a zinger.
Bro, it's the truth.
I know.
Bro. We're in.
Yeah. Oh shit, yo.
Playing around with a Polymarket bot.
Yeah.
I don't know. I might let it run while I'm away.
Give it a couple $100 to play with.
And just say, hey, when I come back, just let me know how I did.
Yeah.
The ultimate fucking degenerate move. Yeah. I don't know. Why not?
I feel you.
Mahimi? Bro. I literally saw some fucking dude. I don't want to say his name, but they're like, yo, like, this guy can't trade. And then he shows like an account. It's like, bro, you haven't shown account numbers in fucking ages. And now you're gonna
Who?
And now you're gonna fucking act like, you know, you're the best trader in the world when you haven't showed account numbers. I love it though. Like what people don't realize is like these guys have accounts at Lucid, Apex, Tradeify, My Phone. Like they have accounts everywhere, but they only show you this set every day. It's crazy. It's crazy that people believe it. I was scrolling through Twitter or X because I was looking for I was looking at this Polymarket stuff and I was like, oh, like let me scroll through, and then like it was just popping up. It was on my burner account. I was scrolling through my burner because my burner is all Polymarket shit.
That's funny. Oh, your burner Twitter account?
I got a burner Twitter account. I don't post. I don't do anything with it. I got
a burner Twitter account, but it was more for like fucking, you know, non-trading related shit. Nothing to do with trading.
Yeah, so this is all Polymarket, and I only want the feed to be Polymarket. You know what I mean? I don't want it to like veer off to anything else.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Fucking
unreal. Fucking tabs open.
What's up?
Got a lot of tabs open over here.
Oh, yeah. Seamsies. I don't know what just happened here. Wow, it's got fucking all these positions open. I was wondering. Yeah, so. Yeah! Dude. I was just fucking looking, man.
Yeah, I wonder.
Ready to fucking trade. I'm going to kick everybody the fuck out. Yo, it's going to be 6 o'clock on Easter. Everyone's going to be hanging out. You're like, yo, everybody, fuck out. Party's over. Clean up. Get the fuck out of my house. Daddy's got to trade.
Yeah, we're going to my mother-in-law's.
Yeah, I'm having everybody over here, man. I don't know. It's cool because it's at your house and, I don't have to go anywhere. But, bro, I went to order food. It was like fucking 200 and something bucks. I was like, fuck, man.
That's fucking crazy.
I was like, you know how many prop accounts that is?
That's all I do. I just do math and prop.
I do prop firm math. Like, yo, you know how many fucking prop firms that is?
I'm going to put a poll in here for people to fucking slide up and down on. If you're real, say what's up in the chat and click yes or no on my poll.
I was looking to
bro, we got fucking 6 subscribers.
6 subs.
We actually have one real one. That's not us. We got 4 watching.
Yo, 7's my new lucky number, bro. Oh, dude, that's awesome. The what do you call it?
What?
Awesome.
The thumbnail?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The fuck just happened?
Someone pounding that confetti?
I was pounding it.
Was you pounding the confetti like roast beef? That wasn't me.
Yeah, I was getting my shit together, son.
Word.
Yeah. Dude, I just bought this thing. I gotta open it up. It goes on the side of your laptop. So like when I'm away, it's like a travel fucking extra screens.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
You probably use it at your house because I know you use a laptop.
I literally look at one fucking screen at a time.
Yeah, but so when you stream, what is it?
Oh, I got my like old work laptop.
Ah, see, so
that's
like
how I see the chat. I have the other one. Look. See.
Yeah. So I do that. I stream on my main computer, but I read the chat on my laptop. But while I'm away, I only have one fucking laptop, so I need screens.
I mean, I could probably mount some screens in my compadre, but I don't really want to. I'm good. I've been doing it like this for 2 years.
Yeah,
it seems to be slowing me down. Yeah,
don't change it. I just,
I feel you.
Me personally, I'm gonna be away, so I only have the one screen, and you can't only have one screen because if you want to change to something personal, it's just gonna pop up.
Yeah, like if you want to hedge.
If I want to hedge with one of my buddies in the same house.
In the same house, like
I were playing the plantain, fucking
in between tummy stick sessions.
Yo, bro, that house. The house is hearing some squealing. But
it's not like Sam Bankman-Fried's house. I can tell you that much.
Dude. I don't know, man. Like, I definitely wouldn't do that. I'd rather, like, if I was like that young making really good money, man, I'd be like, let's move to a city, like, I don't know, like call it Charlotte or Nashville, like, I don't know, like a cool city where you like.
I mean, there's shit going on in Puerto Rico, but man,
yeah, limited.
You're one fucking wrong turn of a hurricane away from just being homeless.
Dude, that's not even kidding you. So my dad lives in Mexico. He was supposed to live in Puerto Rico. Bro,
Is that what changed his mind? Fucking Hurricane Rita?
Whatever, the one that parked their ass right on top of Puerto Rico and didn't move.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he went down like 3 months before that, looked at houses, and he was down in Puerto Rico for like a week or so, looked at a bunch of houses, and he was like, all right, like, I'm going to buy one of these. He came back, and he was like just getting his finances, but like, he's like, yo, nobody bought this? No, okay. Bro, and then all of a sudden, they were calling for this hurricane. He was like, all right, well, let me not buy this for a second. Bro, smoked the island, and he was like, fuck that. And then one of his friends was like, dude, just come down to Mexico.
Yeah. Yeah, my sister-in-law's husband worked for Con Ed, and he was he was with the crew that got sent down there to fucking
Oh,
rebuild all of that infrastructure. He was there for months, and
yeah.
then my cousin was getting married, and he wanted to go to Puerto Rico for his fucking bachelor party,
Ugh.
and we went like. Shit got rebuilt, but shit was still fucked up when we were there. Like I was like, damn, this shit place is still fucked up.
Yeah, I'm sure it took a while. And then, yeah. So, like, dude, also, like, you're on an island. Like, yeah, there's stuff to do, but, like, you can't just be like, yo, I'm going to go drive 3 hours somewhere else. Like
Then
the
like
island.
Tony's like trapped in Hawaii.
Yeah. You know, it's one of those things.
So anywhere he's got to get on a plane.
You got to hop on a plane. You know, you got to hope that the TSA agents didn't get fired and they threw some extra, you know, get you off the island. Yeah, man. But that's my, like, if I was like that age, I would be like, I'd probably go to Florida in like kind of where like Rob's at, where you're an hour outside Miami. So like things are going on in like Boca, but like you could drive to Miami. You know, you want to drive to Miami for the night, you could do it, but like you're not in Miami. That's probably what I wouldn't go to fucking.
So I got our shit playing in another browser on the other computer, and I see this shit again. World's number 2 trader, and it's that same fucking chick, but she's now being interviewed on Chart Fanatics.
Well, that's because I think it's the same dude that owns both of them.
Really? She's the world's number 2 trader. What's his name? I'm not saying I'm better than her at trading, but let's be fucking real.
Bro, his name's
because of what? Some fucking competition? Get the fuck out of here. She's better than a hedge fund manager?
Making 20K?
She's better than Steve Cohn?
Yeah. I think that's what you start off with, like 10 G's or something. Like you don't start off with a lot of money, and it's just a percentage. It's not a dollar.
Yeah, it's such fucking bullshit.
You know, yeah, it's a percentage thing. And I'll be honest with you, when you start doing percentages, like, oh, you start with $1,000, you make 1,000, you're up 100%. But like,
oh man, that's the best.
Who gives a shit? Yeah, it's harder to start with 500K and then make, you know, 100%. Like, especially if you're playing with your own real money, because I think that's what it is. I think you use your own real money.
Yeah, diddling yourself with your own money. Wait, what?
Yeah, so I think how it works is use your own money, but they're the broker and they take the fees are like ridiculously high. It's like a cash grab for them. They basically, you got to get an account there, you fund it.
And then everybody's talking about it because, I'm in fucking 87th place in the Robbins Cup.
Yeah.
Fucking. You know what's interesting? There's like different types of traders when it comes to futures and in general. Like you got or just traders in general who they shit on people who prop firm trade. They shit on prop firms, all that shit. And then you got traders who do both, and then you have traders who only do prop firms, like myself. Really, I mean, aside from like fucking around with crypto, I don't have a personal account, but I'm fucking printing with fucking prop firms. So I don't understand why does anyone care?
So
people who fucking trade in a personal account and shit on people who only trade in prop firm accounts, they probably would suck a fucking fat one at trading with prop firms. I mean, look at Rick. But he doesn't shit on it. He doesn't shit on it. He doesn't.
No.
But he does. He trades like a degenerate. You know what I mean?
I think what happens is the guys that have made enough money, whether it be selling, you know, your fucking AI dildo bot or whatever it is, that then put money in their own personal to try to make them like seem better than other people. You know, it sounds so stupid because when the money hits your bank account, it doesn't matter if it came from my prop firm account or my personal account. And this is coming from somebody that has both. I don't give a shit where the money comes from.
Bro, all I know is like when I go to like today I went grocery shopping. That money, they accepted it. My prop payout money, they accepted it.
They accept it. So you're an idiot by doing.
I never get it. It's like a guy that's always like just so against it, but of course he sells his own shit.
Yeah,
Some guy that's been around forever. You're just so against prop firms. Always tweeting. I forgot what the fuck his name is. He's a fucking jerk off. Some older guy.
Oh, dude, he's a fucking loser.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
No, but message me on hit me
I
up.
forgot his fucking name. I'd have to post in the Discord and ask.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll just say like, it's different type of trading also. So like it's easier to make a lot of money in your personal account because dudes will there's no rules. They'll replenish their own account. So after they blow it, they'll just keep funneling money in until it hits. There's no rules. You can hold overnight. There's no consistency. Like there's no nothing. It's easier to make money in your personal. When you have to trade with rules, it's a lot harder. It's a lot.
People will argue about not having any having to deal with any of the fucking rules, and that's why they.
Yeah, but they're just not disciplined enough to make prop firm money. So what happens is they shit on prop firms, make the money the other place, but then tell you to go use their code at prop firms.
Or they were terrible, or they were just absolute ass at trading with prop firms and won't ever admit it. So they them and say, ugh. Anyone who doesn't trade with a personal account isn't really trading. Okay. I don't know, man. I'm fucking trading every fucking day. I don't know about you.
Because they can't get it to work because, they're not
that good. Oh, you're not. Oh, people will say they're profitable. But how many fucking blown accounts? If you do the math on all the blown accounts, I'm playing a different game.
Well, it's like you could say how many losses you have trading and then gains. Like, you're going to take losses. Even for your personal account, you're going to take losses. Instead of losses, you're taking blown accounts. It's the same thing because people are,
I think there's a place for both.
Without a doubt. I also trade differently. So, like, I traded a gold trade recently in my personal. Bro, I held that for freaking.
Yeah, because you could. Yeah, because it was you could.
I want to say I held it. I held it over a session because somebody asked. And they were like, yo, you're still in that? And I'm like, yeah. And they're like, how? I'm like, because you don't have to sell out your personal account.
You don't get liquidated when the market closes.
Yeah, like I had enough money to hold it through close. Why like prop firms, you'd get hosed.
Same thing like with crypto. I was, a lot of times with crypto, like it just takes a lot longer for the move to play out because it's just larger time frame trading.
Yeah. It's anyone that says that, it's easier to trade real money. So if they're like, oh, I make real money, I'm like, well, actually it's easier. So
yeah.
Yes
and no, but at the same time, if you go on tilt or you fuck up, like you're not losing the cost. When you lose $5,000 in a fucking prop firm account, you're really losing how much it costs you for that account, which is probably less than $100. Versus if you lose $5,000 in a personal account, you lose $5,000.
Yeah. Also, at the same time, though, you get that prop firm account. You have to make usually $6,000 before you can pull out $2,000 at least. You got to make 3,000 pass.
You got to make more money to get money.
Yeah, you got to make a lot more. So it's like, to me, like I'm going away this week coming up. Like I'm probably going to open up a Ninja account, and I'm probably going to copy trade all my trades in Ninja. All my trades will probably be copied over to my personal account, and I'm probably going to trade. I'll probably just start off doing 3 micros and then progressively up it. After I pull out my initial, I'll probably do that. Probably the way I'm going to go. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I put in, call it $5,000, once I'm up 5,000, I'll pull 5,000 out, and then I'll get real, then I'll be like, I'm playing with house money. Whatever happens, happens. I'm not going to be worried about it. You know, only because gold's been freaking amazing. Personally, like to me, gold. If I took all my gold money, I'm up a lot, like a lot. I won't trade NQ. I won't trade NQ with my personal money. That's for shit.
No,
sure.
why would you? NQ
No.
fucking sucks.
Yeah,
I only
no.
traded with Apex because, you know.
You have to.
Yeah.
Well, Legends didn't have gold, and they just enabled gold back. So the fact that Legends just enabled gold, Top Step just took their restrictions off gold.
It's crazy that they did because.
Well, Apex is the only one that hasn't added gold back, so I would assume they're going to add gold back soon. And My Funded Futures lets you trade 2 micros.
Whoa.
But yeah,
2 micros.
I know. Hold up. And then
I almost fell off my fucking chair.
Yo, Trade Day gives you 4 micros.
Yeah, Trade Day gives you 4.
So at the bare minimum, you have 4, which is fine. Yeah. Listen, I can deal with 4, but 2's a little rough, and obviously 0's not going to cut it for me. You know.
Yeah. 4 is rough too. I mean, 4 is good, but I don't know. It depends. Like, it's crazy that they're considering. Well, they've already released some restrictions because gold is still trading in
massive range. I got to hit my alarm. Hold on, but
200.
The money is crazy. I mean, it went up $150 the other night. Like, that's not 150 ticks, 150 freaking dollars.
Yeah.
Which is crazy.
I've seen it all. I mean, there's even recently it was $200.
Dude, I was just looking and then I was like, boom, I just made $52,312. You guys didn't see it? Nobody saw it. Nobody saw it. Yo, what up, everybody? Yo, if you're new here, say what's up. We're shooting the prop firm shit. Talking, hanging out. If you're on, say what's up. There were 7 people just on.
Were there really?
Yeah, somebody's. Yo, we got some looky-loo. Say what's up. We don't bite unless you want to.
6 right. I see 6 right now.
Yeah, it was just 7.
Oh, it's been 5. Yo, hey, don't be shy.
Got some shy.
They fucking left, little fucking bitches.
Yo, fuck you guys for leaving. Yo, hold on. I haven't eaten anything yet. I gotta get a. Hold on one second. I just gotta hit my alarm.
So, I don't know who's here. Let's see if anyone new came back. We're down to 3. Man, I don't understand why people come and lurk and then don't say what's up in the chat. They're gonna regret it. You're gonna regret it.
Yo.
Yeah.
I went to get a fucking seltzer. I have no seltzers in the house. Oh man. Yo, we're down to 3? Yo.
Which is weird because I got it open in 3.
Yeah. Well,
I didn't even see 7. I saw 6.
Yeah.
You must have bought it before.
Got to 7.
It's fine. Because we're going to start taking clips of this shit and posting content, and then eventually it's going to get some legs. Eventually.
People are gonna come hang out. Come chill.
Yeah.
I just think no one's really around in general. It's Saturday at 5.
But what's interesting, if I fucking pop on my shit.
Yeah, well, it also notifies, how many people. I'm sure if I pop on, people will join, but like they're not on YouTube. Like they're just hanging out, something else. Like, oh, why don't I just come fucking hang out?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, but I will say, man, like, here, you can clip this one. Yo.
Clip these nuts.
For all those guys that claim transparency but do not show their account numbers and balances, like on all their account, like just here's my account numbers, here's my balances.
Especially on the accounts where like the number actually goes up when you get new accounts.
Well, that, or just in general, people can follow it and say, hey, those aren't the same take profit trader accounts you had yesterday. Where'd the other ones go?
Yeah. They'll fail to mention that they blew them, and they'll be like, oh, look, another day one payout, or had a banger day.
Or what they do is they blow those TPT accounts, and then they don't show you those TPT funded accounts until they've already passed more. You know what I'm saying? So all of a sudden they have a new set of pro accounts. Like, well, how many evals did you go through to get that? Nobody fucking knows.
Nope.
And that's what, every day, I know you do it, I do it. Every day you should show your whole audience all the accounts that you got. Hey, you have take profit. Bring them all.
I roll through everything I have when I stream.
Exactly. Show them. Say, hey, this is my Apex, Tradeify, Lucid, fucking My Fund Futures, the whole shebang. Like, these are all my accounts. So every day they can see that what you're up or down in, that the accounts stay the same, or if they're different, at least you can explain why they're different. And so people know you're not fucking hedging one prop firm to another, because that's a big thing that people don't talk about. Is there's people in this industry or this niche who are like, oh, well, I'm gonna get my Apex money and I'm gonna blow my TPT accounts, but it'll be a payout. I could tell everybody I got fucking paid. Why really? Yeah, you got paid, but you blew the other accounts and you didn't even really trade. You just hedged it. And people don't know that that's going on. You know what I'm saying?
There's a lot of fucking shady shit going on.
There's a lot of shenanigans.
Or the picking and choosing of what they want you to see so they can sell Discord.
It's a shell game. If you so me and you come from the background of, in the other spaces, you could see the shell game being played. But nobody asks. Nobody's like, hey, why doesn't so-and-so show all of the accounts every day? Because he's fucking blowing them. He's downing them. That's why he's not showing them.
Running through them.
He's running through them.
Which is fine. Run through accounts, but at least
be honest about it.
Yeah.
Just be honest and say, hey, man.
It's not a good look. If it's not a good look if you're selling them Discord membership, and the hook is you get to trade with me and watch me trade live. That's why they don't fucking show it.
Yeah.
And every once in a while they'll be like, oh, I had a really rough day.
I had a really rough day, guys. But my friend had the same day, but it was positive.
It was yeah.
It's one of those things that the problem is the viewers are not, nobody's informing the viewers that they should ask, hey, can you show me all your accounts? Can you show me what's your take profit trader at today? What's your Apex? And then what happens is when the streamer doesn't show it, you should just fucking leave. The guy's not being transparent with you.
Just like you got the top step coaches like Dakota.
Oh, dude.
Put him on a pedestal like he's the best thing since sliced bread, the best trader since fucking Warren Buffett. But he won't even show his fucking balance in his live account.
Bro, he doesn't show his balance. He doesn't show anything. It's crazy.
And whatever. Maybe he is a good trader. He's always posting his broker statements and on Twitter. That's fine. Why can't you show your balance when people ask? Like, just show your fucking balance. It's not that big of a deal.
It's crazy. It's fucking. So not for nothing. If you're gonna be on any of these shows, any of them, they should do they should do an audit, and these people's expenses and payouts should be listed somewhere in the description where you can click on it and say, not forever, because obviously in the beginning you might not be a great trader, but year to date, you should have that person's expenses and payouts year to date. If you're going to be not a special guest, but if you're on the show every day, that should be audited by whatever.
If you're on a prop firm show, yeah. They don't want profitable traders on there.
They should audit it. They should have it where everybody can just click on and say, oh, so-and-so is up 30 grand this year. And then it resets every year.
Yeah, that'll never happen.
And I'm not saying all the prop firm, like not everything, but like if you're on, say, Jimmy's Prop Firm TV show, all your accounts that you bought from Jimmy, your P&L from just Jimmy should be on there. That's how I would do it.
Don't hold your breath.
I know. I'm just saying, if you
sell it, a little like it's not, just I guess it's not a matter of like, oh, well, you should watch us when we stream on our channels, but it's just about just whoever you're watching, just maybe vet them a little and impress them for that information. And if they don't want to give it to you, then that tells you all you need to know about them.
Yeah. I would 100% press them for.
And if you like hanging out with them because they're cool, that's fine. But, take everything they say with a grain of salt.
Yeah, just remember, if they're not going to show all that stuff, they got a small PP.
Well, they have a PP and they act like they
But I would say that, what's crazy is there are people out there that do their audited financials, and they don't even charge you. They're not even selling you shit. They're just on YouTube and they just audit their shit, which I find to be really as transparent as you can get it. Yeah. But it's crazy how this niche. It reminds me of like the options niche. It's very like. I need to show you in general, yeah. I need to show you wins every day, but like you're not winning every day because you're just not. That's kind of where I'm going with it. Is just got to be more transparent about things. Right? That's really where it's at. But it starts. It's got to start at the prop firm level if they have a show to force those guys to be transparent, because if they are, then the rest of the streamers have to be. Otherwise, they're going to be like, well, why aren't you putting all this information out there? Yeah. But if they don't do it, then no one's going to fucking do it. We can talk about it, But yeah, it is what it is, I think shows like Tasty Trade, I know Tasty Trade streams, which is brokerage. And, those people are legit as you can get it. It's kind of like a CNBC, but smaller scale. You could actually follow those people's trades on the Tasty Trade platform. How crazy is that shit?
That's really cool. It's almost like when you can follow fucking Maria in
correct.
Yeah,
in Black Box. Yeah. It's like that. So that's as out there as you're going to get it, because not only are they showing you a P&L, but they're showing you the fucking trades live. You could see when they suck.
Yeah, she doesn't really. She doesn't lose all that much. That fucking chick.
What?
No. Maria doesn't really lose all that much.
No. All of a sudden, she's like, "Oh, by the way, I just sold this for 800% gain." I'm like, "What? I've been out of that thing for 3 months. You held through all of that?" Like, yeah.
Yeah, her account's deep enough or large enough to absorb the ups and downs.
Insane. She's insane, man.
Yeah.
For some reason, so there's a girl in our chat, and I just feel like females hold longer for like their strategies are always holding and a lot of times for more gains than dudes. Like I'm fucking out so fast, but
That's what. Yeah, I've heard that before.
so fast. I can't last long. Oh man, dude, yeah, it's crazy. Fucking yo, you see Donald Trump give Iran 48 hours?
Yeah, Monday's gonna be sick.
Dude, Sunday night, baby. Shit's gonna open up wild. Be wild.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm dicking around with this poly market shit. I'm up like 10% today.
You're not even trading it. Someone else is doing the trading, right?
No. This one I set strategies on 5-minute BTC, on 5-minute up and down for whatever. Yo, I watched that video you said you watched on the channel that said put your videos in posts.
Which one?
It's for more views. Put your videos in posts. Like a couple days after, make a post.
When did I send that to you?
You didn't send it. You watched it. So when I went on Prop Firm Frens, it said recently watched, and I was like, oh, let me click to see what this one was about. That's what it was talking about. You put your recent videos in posts.
What is it? Well, like, just what does that even mean? Like, as a community post or whatever?
Community post. Yeah, like you take a recent video that you made,
You just post a link to it,
and you just fucking, put it out there. Like you make a post and you link the video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I did it like last night just to see what it was about.
How'd that go?
I don't know. A couple people liked it. Oh, I see you. Watch this. Oh no, what the fuck just happened? Let's see if this changes. Bro, we need a playlist, new playlist. I'm gonna call it I'm gonna edit some of this shit. Just, altered content. No, I'm just, I just edited it just a little bit, messing around. Yo, you still got the fucking, I'm just looking at the thing. Bro, it should say it's Shark Week. Bro, we should do a Shark Week one. Dude, I laughed so hard, the ones I was making with the banana. Dude, I typed in to make us wearing banana hammocks, and they put banana bathing suits. Yeah, that's how I got that one. That shit's fucking so funny. So funny. Oh man, dude. Yo, Lucid comes out with something tomorrow. You see that shit? The loot boxes or something.
What are they doing?
They put out that they were gonna do here. Let's see. Somebody thought they were gonna do loot boxes. Bro, check this out. I'm gonna bring it on the thing. Look. New source of dopamine coming to your Lucid dashboard on 4/5. See the box comes? It could be like every day you log in and they give you something for logging in.
Oh, credits or something.
Something. points for logging in. Yeah.
Yo, hold on a sec. I gotta pee. I'll be right back, yo.
Remember, you shake it more than twice, you're playing with it.
I'm gonna shake it a lot.
Yo, what's up? Anybody on here? Come say what's up. Come hang out with me. Come hang out. Oh, man. Yo, if you're on here, say what's up. We're just chilling out. Two dudes hanging out, having a good time. Two dudes, one stream. Boom, 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 boom. What up, what up, what up? Dude, so crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Giggity, giggity, giddy. Yeah, I was just freaking. Oh, dude, I just noticed, man, like prop firm accounts, the prices are just going up. You know what I mean?
Everybody got fucking their asses handed to them with all the gold shit. And it might be happening with crude again, too.
Yeah, I mean, it seems something happened because, like, everybody's raised their prices.
Yeah.
There's not one that I'm like, oh, they didn't raise their prices. Every single one of them, I feel like the price has gone up. Yeah, none of them I'm like, oh, you know, this is cheap. This is good.
Bro, Zcash fucking popped.
Zcash?
Zcash fucking went from fucking 209 to 250. Well, it fucking came back from 250 to 230 and then back, from like last week, it went up 20 something percent, 25%.
Dude, Zcash is freaking one
I
of
love
those.
trading Zcash.
Yeah, because it moves, man.
Yeah, I was sleeping on it. Because I was too busy watching fucking gold in Mexi. I've done really well trading Zcash.
Yeah, it's
the last trade I made with Zcash, I made $1,600.
It moves around a lot. Yo, what does Zcash do?
I forgot. I read the white paper like years ago.
Bro.
But I believe in the project. I just like the way it moves. That's the one that pumped to like fucking 700 out of nowhere.
Yeah. My brother
and then it came all the way back down, and you know.
I think he wrote it up and then down. And yeah, he wrote it up and then he round tripped it almost like an idiot. When we were like, bro, just sell. He was like, no, I'm not selling. Stupid. Don't be stupid.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm trying to think what I want for dinner. I haven't eaten all day. I think I'm gonna do fucking an absurd amount of sushi.
I did an absurd amount of sushi. Fucking.
The other night, sushi samba.
Yeah, bro, it was so fucking good,
dude. Oh, watch this. Yeah, we should have this open. Yeah, dude, it was so good, man. I love sushi, dude. I can eat sushi twice a week, probably. If it was, just sushi and Mexican food.
Yeah,
sushi, Mexican.
There's a couple of decent spots by my house, but it's just not even close to what I fucking get on the strip.
Yeah, I mean, because the strip, yeah. All right. I didn't know if you.
I think we got some.
Okay, dude, I was just throwing out there, like, if you had something in mind,
Yeah, we were doing that.
Yeah. I was just, throwing it out there, like, if you thought.
Well, I mean, what else you want to talk about, pal?
What else is out that's freaking new? I know Tradeify, just to run over some stuff. Tradeify now has got 25K plans. I don't think that was like, they made a big deal about the 3.0 shit. Like,
oh my God, everybody, ugh.
Yeah.
Hyping that shit up. And what did they do? They raised all the prices on everything else.
Like, don't get me wrong. They pay fast. They don't deny payout. Like I get all that. But I mean, when they were like, there was dudes not related to Tradeify, just random influencers that were like, it's gonna be the craziest thing ever. And I'm like, I was like, shit, like, this is gonna be awesome. I don't know why none of these guys just say, hey, no rules, get to the buffer, and then you just take daily payouts, like take profit trader. I don't understand why none of them.
Trade days like that too.
That's it. Well, I don't know why
during certain red folder events.
Why don't they do that? I don't get it. Like, why don't they compete that way? I also think, like, why doesn't Take Profit Trader offer like a $30 plan with like 50 activation fee just to get people that want cheaper plans? But it was just, yeah. The only other big thing that's coming out is tomorrow Lucid supposed to pop something out.
Yeah. I don't really see anything. I did hear that Apex is very close to releasing straight to funded accounts.
Dude, I mean, they've
been talking about that for a while.
They have. I mean, I've heard about that for a very long time. I think they should to tap into that market. I would do it. I'm
curious how much the accounts are going to be. It's going to be 20% consistency, just like every other firm.
I don't do straight to funded because personally, it's cheaper not to go funded.
Yeah, you just know you got to know your fucking your metrics.
Yeah, yo, people. This is how I do it. This is a good topic actually. So a lot of people are all like, "Oh, I want this account because there's no activation fee," but that's why I don't trade Apex. And then people are like, "I like the small accounts." Bro, it all comes down to what's it cost you to acquire a funded account. Like, if Apex is called $30 and $100 activation fee, and you pass 1 in 3 accounts, that's $160 for a funded account. Then if you buy
190.
190. My bad. I was doing $20 because that's what the trailing was. It was it used to be $19.
So I think the 25Ks is still $19.
But you got to do cost of funded, and I do it if you pass 1 in 3. So yeah, Take Profit Traders $300, versus maybe Apex is 190. And then you sit on the piece of paper and say, okay, but what do I like better about each? Like, people don't think about cost of funded, and that's the route I go. Now, obviously, I trade with most of the firms because I've kind of used them differently.
Yeah.
But
the other thing a lot of people don't factor in is like which prop firm's rule set is best suited for my trading style.
yes, if each person is
like intraday versus end of day is like the easiest one. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Or intraday versus end of day. Obviously, I'm sure they have the data on it, but end of day, your chances of passing and getting a payout are much higher end of day. Yeah. Probably by 35%. If you think
I heard it was 36%.
36. But it's got to be
34%.
It's got to be a significant amount to do it. And then people don't really think about, they don't really think about like what's it take to get a payout. You know, I've always said like Lucid is the easiest one to get a payout because 5 days, $150.
Lucid Flex all day.
Yeah. Lucid Flex.
In that regard, yeah.
You don't have to, obviously you take the payout. If you need to earn a lot of money, your buffer is kind of small. But
you're going to run into that issue. Yeah, there's always the potential. Like if you don't take the max payout.
But the money's in your pocket.
I've never taken a max payout on a Lucid Flex account. I've taken a ton of payouts from them.
Yeah, same here. I've never taken a max out of them.
I think I took a max on a pro like in the early going when I first started trading with them before they even offered Flex. It wasn't even called pro. I forgot what it was called.
I only do Flex now. I use them in Flex because it's just easy to get payouts, and then I move to, like Apex. I built up. I've taken a lot of max payouts this year in Apex, primarily because I had to.
Yeah.
The MAE rule got me. It bit me.
It happens.
And that's why I like the new rules. And people are like, oh, the new rules is I'm like, bro, the new rules are great. There's no MAE rule.
The best is like I just tell them like, hey man, if you don't like it, you don't have to trade with them.
Yeah, yo, it's so funny.
About now I can't take a fat payout. Like, were you ever?
But the other thing that people don't realize is the max you could take out is what, like 13,000, right?
It's more than that. It's like it depends. 26 anywhere from like 14 to 20 something thousand.
Okay, so say 20,000, right? But these fucking jerk-offs don't realize that you're keeping 100% of what you made, bro. You don't have to make 24,000 to pull out 20,000.
That's the other thing. All the other firms are doing 80-20, 90-10 splits.
Correct.
A lot of them.
I'm like, bro, I'm not saying that they're the best, but I'm saying like people don't realize that they're giving you 100% of your money. So, everybody that complains about Apex aren't trading with them. So I'm like, yo, dude, just shut the fuck up and go trade with whatever makes you happy then. Yeah. They gotta be like, it's like you don't even know if you're not using it.
Yeah.
Stupid.
It's just that one firm that everybody loves to shit on for whatever reason.
And they're the largest. If you ever look at their website traffic and the amount of people and the amount of times they paid people, it's crazy. It's crazy.
Yeah, I don't know, man. So many options. Like, why even complain? Like, I get it though. Like, if someone was trading with them and they like the legacy accounts better, then I get it. But
I like the legacy accounts when I was trading gold. For me personally, if I had to go one or the other, I get why they canned it. Because at one point, I had 17 legacy accounts with gold. They were all over the buffer to get paid. I did hit the MAE rule, but the odds are, man, I was about to hit them fucking hard. And I get why they've changed it. You don't want them to go out of fucking business.
Yeah.
It's not like I was sitting here telling you.
Why do you think Top Step did what they did? They were getting killed.
Well,
they were getting killed so bad They had to go in and and then retroactively terminate people's accounts for times that they hedged. Like, you remember that day in Bandcamp in 2018 where you fucking accidentally went long in one account and short in the other, even though they encouraged it. Now all of a sudden it was a violation of their terms of service. So
It is. It was like, bro, it was like some girl that you were dating and that was nagging, and then she starts talking about shit that happened 8 years ago, and that you got to pay for it now. Remember that time? No, bro. I mean,
time. Like,
it could have been worse though. I could have been trading gold and silver and telling everybody I mastered it and that I'm making all this money, when in reality I'm just fucking churning and burning the accounts.
I'm just a degenerate like everybody else.
Yo, not being smart, being dumb about it, and fucking just lying to everybody again after I lied to them about other things and just lying again. It goes to show you, people, the prop firms know all your information. So if you're out there lying, they can just out you at any time. Just remember that.
Yeah.
Don't be that person.
Crazy how they fucking did that, because that person was making them a lot of money.
I'll be honest with you. It's a good look on Apex for doing that.
He was a sacrificial lamb, but he was, they had to, because it was either that or they pay him.
They weren't going to pay him. Not what the shit that he was doing.
Yeah, he violated the shit out of the rules like multiple times a day.
Yeah.
Just so he could say, look at my counts. I mastered metals.
I mastered metals, guys. I'm the master of metals.
Yeah.
I mean, I to me, honestly, he blatantly lied to his audience about that.
Fucking liar.
He blatantly lied to his audience the time where he was putting his affiliate commissions in with
and got busted.
Yeah. I mean, if you're lying multiple times about things, you're going to lie about other things also, right? Yeah. And then another thing, like, if me and you lived together and I was doing some shady shit and making a lot of money, the odds are you're probably going to do it, maybe not at the same level I am. But, dude, if we're living together and I'm doing some shady shit making money, you're telling me that you're not going to want to get in on it a little bit?
Yeah. Show me what you're doing.
Show me what you're doing, man. You're making so much money. Show me what you're doing. That's just you. I'm not blaming anybody. That's just how it rolls. If I'm hanging out with all my boys and we're living together, yeah,
the three Headsketeers.
Yo, it's true though. If you're living with somebody, that means you're eating dinner with them, you're eating breakfast with them, you're trading with them, you're fucking hanging out. And one person starts making a lot of money doing something, they can be like, bro, just do it. And then you're like, yo, you know what? I'll give it a try for a little bit. Human nature.
Oh, fucking absolutely.
I get it. Listen, I get it. I don't blame you for it. Just fucking it is what it is, man. Just fucking is what it is. I get it. But yeah, it's just the blatant lying shit that gets me. Remember, folks, if you do one thing, you're that thing.
It's just, and then people like,
it's like my dad said, man.
Act like they're God's gift to trading. They're just sketchy fuckers.
Yeah.
That's the shit that bothers me.
You know what it is? They're grimy about it to get people to use their code and pay for their discords and buy it when they're just not being open and honest. That's what gets me the most is that aspect.
Yeah, the blatant disrespect.
Yeah. They're disrespecting their users, they're disrespecting their peers. You're just disrespecting the niche. And that's where I'm kind of like, I'm not into that, man. Like, I'm not saying I'm friends with people in the niche because obviously I don't know anybody in real life except for you. But like, I'm friendly, You know what I mean? Like, I'm not boys, but I'm friendly. I can hit people up and shoot the shit with people. But like, if you're gonna act like that, you're kind of disrespecting the niche and you're disrespecting your peers. Is where it comes.
Or your customers.
Yeah, you're definitely your customers. I wouldn't fucking, bro. I wouldn't trust him with anything, man. And it goes to show you, prop firms aren't trusting him either. And if they're not trusting him, why would you?
Got kicked off the tour.
You know, if a prop firm is not fucking with you anymore because they know what's going on in the back end, I mean, why would you? That means they're not fucking with you and you're making them money, which makes that's crazy. They're walking away from money because they don't want to, and they don't want to be tied with you. Hold on one second. Hey. I was just going to get some sushi. I can just run into like Huntington or something. All right. Well, I can get it from anywhere. So you just tell me where you're getting your thing from, and I'll go wherever's closer. What? What? All right, I'm in the middle of a work thing. Just text me.
I gotta hop off anyway, so.
Yo. Yeah. Well, I'll get food anywhere. No, I know they hedge. It's okay. It is. I know that. It's fully okay. Yes, he did. I know, bro. Yes, I know. I know he tells people that if you pay him money, you can trade with him, but then he tells people that he's not trading a lot the last X amount of months, but he's telling you can trade with him. I know that.
Yeah.
Yes. I do know that he's charging $8,000 to learn how to draw a trend line.
I think that's yeah.
I know. I don't know what to tell you. Just it is what it is. I don't know. People are stupid. People, and then she traded a paper account. I know it's a paper account. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. I gotta go. I'm on the stream here. All right. Thanks. All right. Bye. Yo, you there? Was my mic on?
Yeah.
Oh. Bro. This is a wild wild west, brother.
Yep. All right, man.
You're up?
I'm gonna fucking end this shit because I gotta go.
All right. I'm away. But yeah, when I'm back, we should next Sunday.
We'll resume. Yeah.
We'll resume next
There's
Sunday.
enough shit we could turn into some clips and shit and videos or whatever.
Oh, I'd clip the end and be like, got midstream phone call.
Yeah.
Yo, all right. Later.
All right, peace.
Peace out.